Although Roblox trading is dying, there is a chance that some new limiteds can come out in the future. Now, I am the master predictor, and I'm pretty good at predicting things as seen by my Requiem video. So I'm gonna predict some even more stuff, and if I'm right, then you gotta subscribe. Like, come on. But last month, on June the 11th, Roblox released summer promotional items. The cool thing is that these items actually have specs. It was a summer duck, BloxyCola Jetpack, pool party Mr. Tentacles, and that was really it. Now, the reason why I feel like these could go limited is because these are just really unique items, and there's no way Roblox is going to keep these off sale forever. I feel like it'll be silly for Roblox to release these every summer because I just can't see it. Roblox has never done a summer promotional deal, I think, unless I'm wrong. We did have the summer Valk, and that's not even limited, so maybe I could be wrong. But I just want people to just don't forget about these 3 items. Roblox reskinned popular, collectible items. Just made it off sale and made it off sale for no reason. I have a really good feeling that these are going limited. That's just my opinion. But there's some even more eligible items that I am 100% sure are going limited. I'm not sure you guys remember, but I think actually a few days after the summer items, these came out. Frost Flames, Stormbreak Horns, and the Rose Quartz Crown. These items are redesigns of limited items, and they have been off sale. Rose Quartz Ice Crown is part of the Ice Crown series. One Ice Crown is worth over 200,000 Robux. Stormbreaker is almost an identical copy of the Poison Horns of Toxic Wasteland, and these are worth over 1 million Robux. In the Frost Flame, I would say the Guardian Angel Wings, but I'm not really sure. They're pretty unique, but even these have effects. The reason why I am so sure that the Stormbreak is going to go limited is because almost every item in the Flaming Horn series has went limited except for the Blue Steel. The Blue Steel is more like a Black Friday item, but the Stormbreak, just look at it. How is this not going to go limited? If you went to my face, you told me that Stormbreak isn't going limited, I don't know what I would say. And same thing as the Ice Crown series. This is limited, but this one isn't. It is only a matter of time for this to go limited. So if you guys own this, I honestly just believe that these few set of items will just go limited. I'm tired of saying limited. I know these were pretty expensive, but I still think that there's a good chance that these could go back on sale. The unique thing is that all these have some pretty unique particle effects. I know Roblox has been testing some new lighting, so this is really cool, and I really hope they continue this. Now for the Bling 6-7 items, I'm really not sure. I think that's more of a troll in my opinion, because 6-7 is going to die in 1 year, but this one does have a good chance to go limited because this is a direct copy of the Skater series. This is part of the Bling series, but it's alright. This right here, this would be a good limit because I don't like it because it's 6-7, because of the color scheme. It's a good color scheme.
Yeah, that's my opinion.
And yeah.